India's journey to feed its billions begins here, in the barns, fields, feed labs, and boardrooms of a resilient ecosystem. For over 5 decades, CLFMA has been at the helm, shaping the future of India's animal protein sector. From national forums to grassroots outreach, CLFMA has stayed true to one goal: building a smarter, stronger, and sustainable livestock economy. In the past 2 years, CLFMA has represented 235+ member organizations, engaged in price policy consultations, showcased innovations at various livestock events, led regional seminars across countries, and amplified its voice through active media engagement, ensuring the industry's priorities stay in the national spotlight. This legacy has been carried forward by visionary leaders whose tenures have expanded CLFMA's national and international footprint. Be it feed cost volatility or rising demand for clean protein, CLFMA's dialogue with industry and government remains deeply rooted in facts, data, and shared purpose. Through forums in Patna, Kolkata, Coimbatore, Pune, and many more, and bilateral dialogues, CLFMA is laying the foundation for policy harmony and regional R&D alliances. Policy is progress when it listens, and CLFMA ensures the livestock sector is heard.
तो CLFMA ये कोशिश करती है कि जितनी भी पॉलिसी मेकिंग हो वो हमारे सेक्टर के बेनिफिट के लिए, इसलिए हमारी बहुत क्लोज रिलेशनशिप है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, ये आज से 4 साल पहले 5 साल पहले मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री बनी, मतलब हम हमारे व्यवसाय के लिए एक सेपरेट मिनिस्ट्री, तो हम अपने डिपार्टमेंट से पॉलिसी मेकिंग की जो भी बातें होती है वो डिस्कस करते हैं हमारे सेक्टर के बेनिफिट।
CLFMA has stimulated stronger NLM reforms and broader AHIDF access, supported mass immunization efforts through NADCP, shared key inputs for India's 21st livestock census, and assisted simplified digital livestock trade reforms via e-Pashuhat. Thanks to persistent advocacy to the government, tax reforms and duty relief for farmers are now realities, benefiting every link in the feed chain. The future of animal agriculture lies not just in policy, but in people. From entrepreneurship conclaves to student and farmer training programs, CLFMA has nurtured a new generation of livestock innovators, women leaders, and digital-first farmers. And now, it's time to come together to shape a future that's better, smarter, and sustainable.